Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to be making dairy, vegan, gluten-free, no-bake cookies. Dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, no-bake cookies. Okay, woo, that's a mouthful. My daughter is allergic to many things, and she also has celiacs, which keeps her from eating a lot of things, and stuff has to be made special for her. She's coming to visit. I want to make something special. She doesn't get a lot of treats because those are always full of one or all of those things. Obviously, there are ingredients in this that could be substituted for other ingredients, and I will kind of try to remember to mention that as we go. You don't have to make this dairy-free. You don't have to make it gluten-free. You can do it how you want to do it. Okay, my first step is I'm going to add to my pan 1 cup of sugar. Now, you can use an organic sugar if you like. I do believe you should be using a light sugar, not a dark sugar. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And it doesn't need to be melted because I'm going to melt it anyways. I have 1/4 cup of oat milk. You can use whatever milk you like. I just happen to have the oat milk on hand, so that's what I'm using. I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to let this all mix together. I'm going to put this on about low to medium heat. Need to whisk this until there are no lumps. Now I just need to bring this to a rolling boil. And I want it to boil for about 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to remove this from the heat. And I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Adding a 1/4 cup of sun butter. This just happens to be a chocolate sun butter, which is fine. It'll just make it a little more chocolatey. Nothing wrong with that. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 3/4 cup of oats. As for the sun butter, you can use peanut butter, but my daughter has a peanut allergy, so I have to use something else. You could also use almond butter, or you could use any butter that you want, nut butter that you like. It smells really good. Hopefully they taste really good too. Those might be a little small. I should get around a dozen, maybe even a little bit more. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting these on the pan, and then I'll be back. I actually got a baker's dozen out of that. I'm going to save this one for taste testing, but I need these to set up. So I'm just going to leave them and let them get cool. And as they cool, they should set up nicely. I could put them in the refrigerator, but I'm not really sure that's necessary. I'll see how it goes. Once the taste testing a cookie is nice and set up, I will give it a taste test and let you know how they taste. My test cookie is all set up. I'm going to bring this closer. I did go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a little while so that I could go ahead and get this video finished. So you can see it's nice and set up. I'm going to go ahead and split this open so you can see. Looks just like a no-bake cookie. No difference. Now, I'm going to taste it. That is really good. It does have, of course, a little bit of a different flavor from your normal no-bake cookies, but it's still very good. I think my daughter's going to like these. And they were really easy to make. They didn't take very long. And the cleanup wasn't too bad because, as we all know, coconut oil melts very easily. So just a little hot water and then some soapy water, and that was all done. So if you give these a try, let me know. You don't have to have food allergies to make them this way. You can make them this way just because you want to make them this way. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.